Now let's move to a performance not too far from Bangladesh, to the state of West Bengal.
So next, we have two different dance styles. First, we would like to introduce to you Paromar Chatterjee, showcasing the music of black and white Bengali films.
Additionally, we have a semi-classical dance performed by Diti Sen Gupta, inspired from Bharatanatyam.
Good evening, everyone. Today I present you with a dance compilation based on original soundtracks from the golden era of Bengali cinema. This era was marked by the works of Oscar-winning director Satyajit Roy, filmmaker Hrithik Ghatak, and the romantic movies by actors Uttam Kumar and Suchitra Sen. Now, let's travel back to the black and white era.
চিনি তোমারে ওগো বিদেশিনী আমি চিনি তোমারে ওগো বিদেশিনী তুমি থাকো সিন্ধু পারে তুমি থাকো সিন্ধু পারে ওগো বিদেশিনী ওগো বিদেশিনী যদি পৃথিবীটা স্বপ্নের দেশ হয়